Hello all. Today I want to talk about get your information like your name, your email, your picture in your apps without using any connectors. Actually we have function defined automatically in Canvas app that I can use it to get all this information. First, I will put something like text input or maybe text label, text label, user information. First will retain a picture. So I will insert image media. Okay. We will use this function called user. User is function defined by Power Apps to tell me the current user that use or enter the application. So when I enter user then dot image will return me my picture. I will also add to another information. We'll update this to user dot email. Will return my email. Okay. Also will return maybe full name. So I'll get my name. This is videos to show you how to get your information easily and faster. Thanks for watching.